Hey planner friends, how's it going? Welcome to Friday. It is March 17th. I figured I would begin my Euro trip travel vlog a day early so you can see like my packing, the chaos of generally getting your act together before you take 10 days off of work. Well, no, it's not off of work. It's more like 6. But still, lots going on, lots to do, and I figured I would take you along with me. So it is, what, 3 something? Yeah, it's 3-ish now. Oh, it's almost 4. Time flies when you're having fun. So a couple of fun things. I got my new suitcase. It is the Away bigger carry-on flex, and that is my bag that I've had for quite a while. I brought it to Ireland. That came in today, so I will do a full like overview review of it, walk through it so I can get familiar with it myself. In my bedroom is all of my stuff kind of ready to be packed and get that kind of sorted out. I also got this in the mail today, which is kind of exciting. I don't know if you can see this, but some Laurel Denise. I think it's really hard to see. There you go. Yeah, so that's exciting. I got a haircut yesterday too, which is fun. Okay, so I'm gonna do a little review of this actually and unbox it. So yeah, lots going on. It's St. Patrick's Day, so Erin go bra, era forever, as you will. Lots to do, but I feel like it's gonna be kind of fun. I love traveling. I feel like I've gotten, I wouldn't say better at it, but as I've gotten older, I've gotten more like focused about what I need when I travel, and I've gotten more intentional. I remember like those days right after college, and shout out to my travel buddies, Kim and all the girls from our college adventure trip. You know, it was like, you kind of just threw the whole kitchen sink into your backpack and saw what the hell would come up, and it was like, I remember the days of being like, okay, we'll split a meal deal at Tesco so we can eat well or drink at the bar tonight. It's nice to not be at that place anymore. Like, it's nice to not have to worry about that stuff, and I can, not splurge, but like make some investments and get myself some nicer travel gear. I'm just excited for this. So I'm gonna go ahead and film this video about unboxing the Laurel Denise. I'm actually really excited. I blame Sam and Nina for this. I'm easily influenced, especially by the two of them, so, you know. One of the other things I want to mention is Emily and I will actually be speaking at Planning by the Beach down in Palm Beach Gardens, excuse me, down in the summer. So if you happen to be a Florida planner person or somewhere down that way and feel like joining us, we'll be doing a vlog, and you can be in it. You can spend the weekend with us. So that's kind of fun. I'm super excited. So shout out to Lisa and Taylor for including us and thinking of us. I can't wait. I'm so excited. But that's a trip for further down the line. I'm gonna get my butt ready for Stockholm and Copenhagen, so let me go ahead and get filming this. I'm sure I'll link to the video somewhere over there. But yeah, I will take you along with me, so let's get rolling. Here we go. Well, hello there. Showered, got my act together a little bit. Gonna head out, run some errands quick. Yeah, I'm just kind of rolling along. Gonna actually do my carry-on next. One of the weird things that I like to do is I like to look at everything I like to put in my carry-on before I actually pack it. So like, if you look, I just kind of started laying some stuff. Ooh, hello, sun. There we go. So like, I just started laying some stuff down, like my passport, my vitamins for the day, an emergency. This is like my little pill pouch I got at the Dollar Tree, and then used some Chris Ann design stickers to label them. Some liquid IV, my converter. This is gonna be where my like pens and other fun charging cables are. This is another cable storage thing. So I'm kind of just like putting it all out on the table so I know what's going in my carry-on. So I don't know. I need a few last minute things, and then I'm waiting on 2 things from Amazon to come. Some of those bougie like eye mask things everybody uses. So I'll get those, and then, oh wait, I got the Poopery, the travel spray, because when you're traveling with friends, it's fun to spend time with them, but you don't want to like get to know them that intimately in that way, you know, so leave no trace type of thing. So those are fun. I'm gonna head to Target now. He'll obviously come along. I might get a Starbucks because it's Saturday and I earned it, and I've got a ton of gift cards. So yeah, let's go ahead and do a little shopping. Okay, it's 6 o'clock. I just finished filming some stuff for the carry-on video. Coming out eventually. I'll probably be editing it on the flight. I'm at the point now of like 0 hour. I'm probably gonna order an Uber around 6:45 because we board it at 10:20, so getting there like 7:30 makes sense to me. It's almost 6 now, so kind of just my last minute wrap stuff up. I'm gonna start turning some things off and unplugging them if I don't need them. I've watered my plants profusely. Hopefully they hang in there. I've set the thermostat. So really like, I'm just at a point now. I turned my packages on vacation mode. Oh, I'm a little backlit. You'd think I'd know how to do this by now. I gotta like clean off the countertop as my landing zone. But yeah, we are almost ready to go. I've got my outfit on. I have on kind of like a polo, a little sweater, and then I have these fun joggers and some new sneaks. So I'm sure you'll see them in the vlog at some point, but just wanted to maximize comfort. And I'm still weird and I like to, I don't know, feel nice on a plane. I don't know. Anyway, so that's kind of the update for now. Lots to do, but it's all good stuff because we're going to Europe. So like, heck yeah, see you in a little bit. All right, my bag is packed. It's 6:45. I just ordered the Uber. Everything's set up over there. I got the dishwasher finishing going, so it'll be clean by the time I get back. Obviously in 10 days it better be. But yeah, just locked my sliding glass door. Out of office on. It's time to get ourselves to the airport. So come on, what are you waiting for? Grab your stuff, we're getting out of here. Just hanging out in the lounge. We got quite a bit of time. It's only 9:15. Our flight doesn't board until 10:20. Got myself a Topo Chico here. These are delish. Had some snacks, had a little bit of dinner, and my travel buddies are here as well. So say hi to my leading lady and co-star. So you're gonna be seeing a lot of them the next couple of days. What did you spill?
A little bit. It's alright.
Yeah, they're a good crew, and so they'll be the ones that can give color commentary on what's really happening. So don't believe anything I say. Listen to what they're saying behind the scenes. So
that's a lot of gin.
See, already gonna be a fun couple of days, let me tell you. So yeah, we'll just keep hanging out here, and I'll let you know when something else exciting happens. Because other than that, more snacks, a drink or two. Life's good. Let's go to Sweden. So here's a fun thing. It is 10:15. Our flight was supposed to board in 5 minutes. And about 10 minutes ago, Delta canceled it on us.
Oh, okay.
So as you can hear, we're trying to figure out what our game plan is for tomorrow. We were rebooked on a flight that I think in the end works out better because it's one layover, and it's actually in JFK, not Charles de Gaulle, so you don't have to transit through that awful airport. But yeah, we sat here for 4 hours. Gonna have to get an Uber on the way back. So yeah, you know, kind of a bummer. We won't be getting there when we thought, but we'll be there the day after in the morning, so we'll have a fresh day. But as you can tell, we're all kind of bummed. Here's the panel trying to figure out what they're up to. It's not the best feeling in the world, but because it's a vlog, you get 2 days of travel now. Lucky us. So I'm gonna go try to figure this out. I still can't actually verify and check into my flight, but I got the approval, so I will catch you guys later. So yeah, I'm home. Not the place I expected to end this vlog. My flight would be leaving in 3 minutes, technically. We're rebooked on a flight to tomorrow. It'll be fine. I get to bring you along all over again. That's cool. Who wants to do a travel day all over? Me? It's fine. It's a bummer, but you know, the Airbnb is still there. I emailed our host and just let him know. No explanation though from Delta about what happened, which happens, but I'm always, more information is better than less, so I don't know. It stinks. I don't get to sit with my friends on the flight over there or anything, but you know, you'll make do. You're still getting there in the end, so it's all first world problems. We're all safe, so really, that's about it from now. I'm gonna go to bed because I'm pretty tired even though we didn't do anything. And we have to be at the airport, I think. Our flight leaves at 1. So hoping to get there around 10:30. Yeah, so I'm gonna head to bed and I will see y'all tomorrow. Good night, Planner friends. Well, good morning. We are back. It is 9:40. I'm gonna actually be Ubering back to the airport. Let's try this again. So we ended up on a decent flight. Delta gave us, I think, 7,500 sky miles for the inconvenience. It looked like it was a mechanical issue. So like, while it's annoying at the end of the day, like I'd rather the plane be safe. So like, you know, it is what it is at this point. I slept great. I'm feeling good. I changed my outfit a little bit. My travel outfit, I loved it, but it was like very like, you're going to Florida, not you're going to Scandinavia. So I just took some stuff out of my suitcase that I was gonna wear anyway and kind of save some room. So yeah, I'm about to order my Uber, gonna get to the airport, go through security. Gotten good at it, had some practice yesterday. We had dress rehearsal, if you will. But yeah, the nice part is that I have a ton of footage from yesterday, so I'll smush it all into one long vlog. But like, I have stuff to edit. I'm just gonna get to the Skyclub. I'm gonna relax. There's not a whole lot going on. Like, we're good to go. I'm just gonna suck it up and we're gonna kind of just take every day as it comes. Honestly, in the end, I'm actually glad. Well, I wish this could have been yesterday. We have a layover in JFK, plenty of time to check your bag and stuff. So I was considering that this time. I'll probably just carry on since I've made all the plans to do so. We have a nice break at JFK. Like, it's not as rushed. Our 2-hour layover in Charles de Gaulle would have been really tight, and I imagine we would have been a little late. So like, just lots of cushion. We land straight to Arlanda after leaving the US. Like, it all works out the way it's meant to be. I just need to email our Airbnb fella and just remind him that we're not gonna be there until probably tomorrow. So yeah, you're coming along. So let's get going, shall we? All right, so flight number 1, done. Here we are, New York JFK, so close to home yet so far. Julia got herself a margarita. Dylan's in the bathroom or getting a drink or getting food. We are here for what, 2.5 hours? We're here for 2.5 hours. So, sounds right. So yeah, we fly from here straight to Sweden, so there's no stop in France anymore. So I'm just doing some editing as I'm uploading. I was pretty productive on the flight, which was nice. I'm gonna go grab a drink myself and let you know if anything exciting changes. Hopefully nothing exciting happens. We just sit here, wait, and enjoy the lounge. So that's about it for right now. Flight's about to board. We're actually going. We're actually going. I'm so excited. Wow. I know. That's Dylan, by the way. I think I introduced him yesterday. And this is Julia. So yeah, we're actually gonna board the plane, hopefully. We're next, Comfort Plus all the way. So I'll let you know how things are and keep you filled in on all the fun. Bye. So we made it, finally. Took forever, but we're now waiting for the Arlanda Express. Got through customs, got our train tickets.
Like, who are you talking to?
I'm talking to the internet.
Hi, we made it.
So now we're just waiting for our train, which should be coming in right about now. So we're gonna get going. I'll try to take some footage as we go. I'll show you the Airbnb and a little tour when we get there, but we made it finally. Day late, all good though. So a couple of hours have passed. We settled into our Airbnb, took a little snooze because jet lag and not sleeping on a flight. I think I only slept for about 2 hours on the plane, and I think Julie might have slept for a few. So we're all showering, getting our act together. We're gonna head out, go for a walk, kind of just get our bearings in the neighborhood, do a little shopping. I think we might be getting Swedish meatballs for dinner, because when in Rome. But I figured I'd show you the Airbnb quick. So it's actually really cute. This is kind of a great find, except next door they're building another, or renovating another one. So you walk in. Dylan is currently in the shower, so ignore that. But you've got like a full dining table that seats 6. Got the living room area. Miley Cyrus on in the background. Got a first bedroom here that has some nice shelving and closets back over there. Here's our cute little view into a little courtyard. It's raining. It's a little drizzly, but it's cute. Of course, we've got Vogue here. We've got a sleeper sofa. And then let's go ahead and make our way into the kitchen. Does the job. Gonna have to get some stuff. I'm in this room and my stuff is literally everywhere, but it works. It's got all the essentials. So we are gonna finish getting our act together, and then I will obviously bring you along as well. So yeah, see you in just a sec. Called Meatballs for the People, and I feel like when in Sweden you gotta do Swedish meatballs, so I think we're gonna be doing some sort of meatball feast. So I'm kind of excited. I ordered a gin and tonic. We're gonna kind of see where things take us. Dylan is hiding behind this menu looking for something to drink. So yeah, should be an interesting evening. I'm kind of excited to see what we're gonna have for dinner, so stay tuned. So we've got quite a selection of meatballs here. I feel like there's boar. I feel like there's lamb, beef, reindeer. There's wild boar in the back there, chicken. I think that's beef, and then this is beef and pork. And then this is wild boar with the tusks. And it comes with lingonberries and pickled cucumber, a spicy tomato, a veal gravy, and a heaping thing of mashed potatoes. I don't know, I think this is gonna be a lot of fun. So don't mind me while I dig in.